I therefore suspend the House for 15 minutes.
Events are unfolding after MP Akol boxing Honorable Zaake around Parliament and inside Parliament. Let's look at the top 5 things that have happened so far after the boxing. Well, the first one is Mityana Municipality MP Francis Zaake has been rushed to hospital after a scuffle broke out in the chambers of Parliament during plenary sitting. This is after MP Zaake raised fears of insecurity in the House chambers, claiming some people who are not MPs had entered the House with guns. The second thing that happened also is journalists have been asked to evacuate the chambers of Parliament and the lobby while their cameras have been retained. The cameras for these journalists have been detained. There's no doubt this is oppression against the press, limiting the freedom of press, which I think at times journalists now or media practitioners need to take some stiff action against this kind of thing. If you don't want ugly shits to be seen, don't do ugly shits. The third thing is the Speaker has suspended the following members of Parliament attending preliminary session for 3 consecutive sittings. The first one is Anthony Akol, who is from Kilak North, Wakayima Musoke, who is from Nansana Municipality, Aloysius Mukasa from Rubaga South, Charles Tebandeke from Bale County, Francis Zaake from Mityana Municipality, and Isaiah Sazaka Budadire East, Nasinsi Nyakato from Oyema City, Derek Nero from Makindye East, Frank Kabuye from Kasanda South, Evans Kanyike from Bukoto East, Shamim Malende from Kampala City, then lastly Susan Mugabe Bovoma WDR. Now they are supposed to be out for 3 consecutive meetings. This is the development that has also come in.
Honorable Ronald Evans Kanyike, Honorable Susan Mugabe, and Honorable Malende Shamim. Under Rule 90, the members are suspended with immediate effect from the precincts of the House. The honorable members, I am also invoking Rule 88(2) to order the above named members to withdraw immediately from the House from the today's sitting, and I accordingly order the Sergeant at Arms to ensure they vacate the chambers. I therefore suspend the House for 15 minutes.
Then this is the most shocking one, which is the fourth one, most shocking one. Lights have been switched off as some opposition MPs are brutally dragged out of the chambers by security personnel. Journalists have been locked up in conference room, so they can't cover anything. This coffee bill is not a joke, because that's what the Baganda survive on, and they are gonna give all their fight. They will give all sorts of fight about it, about what they call their wealth.
Members don't move. Members don't move. Members this time around.
No!
Well, lastly, which is a reminder as you wait for more update, this is number 5, is MPs were subjected, this is a reminder, MPs were subjected to thorough body check as per reports to clarify if they have any other weapons. I think this is in speculation of how tough this debate would be. Coffee bill, highly rated tough. And this, I think, is in confirmation of what the Speaker of Parliament said, that people were thoroughly checked, implying that any person who might have entered with guns or knife will be the blame on the security, because tentatively they might have just allowed the person to enter with it. So the question is, could that person be a setup? Let's know in the comment section. Thank you.